This is how to create your AirTM account. In this video, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process of how to make and open your AirTM account. With so many opportunities to make money along the process, you can decide to fund either your Naira account in any bank or your dollar account in any bank in your country. Like I'm in Nigeria, I can fund my dollar account in Nigeria. If you are sending $100, this is the amount you get. For instance, if I'm sending this is the amount I'm going to get. This is not too bad in terms of charges. You can also become a cashier. You'll be able to help them accept payment from people in your country and you'll be able to earn your commission. You will see the link below the description of this video. If you use my link, you will get $1 gift from AirTM. Ensure you watch this video to the end. You'll be able to see 9 platforms where you can work and make money online, and a lot of them will allow you to use AirTM to collect your money. And the second video is the one that will show you a step-by-step process of how to withdraw your money with one of those platforms. There are over 400 ways to fund your account, and you can easily get your funds to any bank account in your country. They are present in over 190 countries. I'm from Nigeria and I'm using this platform. All you need to do is to click join now. You see create account. The first thing you need to do is to choose your country. I'm from Nigeria, choose Nigeria. Now, you have option to choose either you are opening a personal account or business account. I advise you to stick with individual account because you'll be required to submit a lot of documentations to prove that your company is authorized and has complied with the authority in your country. You choose personal and click continue. So you have an option to sign up with either your Gmail account, your Facebook, or your iOS account. For instance, if you are signing up with any email address of your choice, you click sign up. You need to fill out this form. This is the most important part, so you need to watch this video carefully here. You submit your email, put in your password and confirm your password, your first name, your last name. You do your verification by clicking this place and you shift this button like this to match this box to be sure that you are not a robot. Verification success. So you click create. So in the process of you creating your account, if you're having problem with getting OTP directly to your local phone, ensure you try your local phone first. You can use foreign phone number just to complete your verification, but ensure you try your local phone first. All you need to do is to come to ASK JOFA YouTube channel, scroll down, you see this video, ensure you watch it. This is the video here. You'll be able to follow a step-by-step process of how to create and claim your US phone number for free. You can now use that phone number to get your phone verified in any country you are watching me from. And ensure you use the detail of your ID card to fill this form because it will be verified. With that, you'll be able to sign up. This is the inside of my AirTM account. You can see I currently have this amount in the account. The good thing about this platform is that there are so many ways to fund and withdraw your money. The one great way that is very easy for you is that you can easily do P2P transactions. So these are different ways to add money and fund your account. You can do that through Scripts, Payer. I've done some videos. Just go to Ask JOFA YouTube channel. I've done a video of how to create your account with most of these platforms. Then you can fund your AirTM account with your Nigeria bank, your debit card, Bitcoin, and so many other payment methods. You can also withdraw your funds on this platform with all these payment methods. That is, you can convert your funds to Bitcoin, to Script, to Payer, Wallet, and you can send your money to Binance platform and so many other exchange. Buy Bitcoin and invest your money. Please do me one big favor. Subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Ensure you also watch this video today. You see a video of how I fund this account through one of the top microjobs website. Don't forget, if you use my AirTM link to sign up and make your account, AirTM will give you a gift of $1 as soon as you complete your account creation, and you may also be required to meet some other requirements. This paid local was just newly introduced. You'll be able to input your local bank account and get your money directly to your local bank, either in Naira or USD. All you need to do is to open the kind of account and the funds you want to get in your local bank. You can also become a cashier. You'll be able to be an intermediary between people that want to exchange their funds. For instance, if you have dollar People want local currency like Naira. You do the exchange with them on this platform and you'll be able to earn your commission. A lot of people are doing this and you can make good money doing that. Ensure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be doing subsequent video about how to use AirTM platform to your advantage. This is the fund I will do from Sprout Geek using this platform. You'll be able to watch the video at the end of this very one. And I will also be doing videos of all the functions I've explained so that you'll be able to use this platform to your advantage. That is why you have to subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. So this is how to create and make your AirTM account and use it to collect funds and make money with it in your country and worldwide. Ensure you watch the next videos. You'll be able to see 9 platforms that you can work and make money online. A lot of them will allow you to use AirTM to collect your money. You will also see a video of how I use AirTM to collect my money from this platform. Don't forget to use the link below the description of this video, and AirTM will give you a gift of $1 as soon as you complete and create your account successfully. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.